Hello recruiters, this is another cool tip Friday from Recruiter Larry. So I want to show you how to use some of the data behind LinkedIn Recruiter to educate yourself and your hiring teams on what the realities are of the candidate population. So before I start really getting down to recruiting on a specific rec, I always get the manager's exact wants, put them, make them into a search string. And for this scenario, I'm just going to look at all Red Hat certified engineers. In your case, you're going to actually pick the position that you're looking for, and you want to make sure that your search terms are tight and that you feel comfortable with that your keywords are covering everything you're looking for. In this case, I have all the different ways to type Red Hat certified engineer. So LinkedIn shows me I've got 30,000 plus candidates in the world that have this certification. Let's go down here and narrow it down by the United States. So I've got, and this is good information to share with your hiring manager, I've got 5,443 Red Hat certified engineers in the US. And the cool thing about LinkedIn Recruiter is as you search and start selecting using these filters, these numbers also update. So now not only do I know that there's 5,443, I know what companies they currently are at. So I know Red Hat has 296, I know Rackspace has 236, Dell 83, Cisco, and so on. And then if we pick one of these, let's pick on Dell. Well, now we're only looking at 83, these numbers populate. So now I know where these candidates live. Out of the 83 engineers in Dell, 36 of them are from Austin. And as I select these, this brings them up real time. I know that for some reason we've got 10 in Oklahoma. So let's just pick these 10 in Oklahoma, and then my search results will bring them up. So, and as I select these, I could save them to a project, but at least now you can have an educated conversation with your hiring teams and say, look, out of all the parameters you've giving me, here are the actual numbers. And then you'll also know how many have you reached out to? What is my total population? Anyway, I hope this helps, and see you next week.